A polished titanium forging can look excellent and still leave a buyer with unanswered questions. What material heat was used? Was the forging route controlled? Was ultrasonic testing performed at the right stage? And do the reports actually match the part that will arrive? For titanium forged rings, sleeves, blocks, shafts, and other drawing-based forgings, inspection should not be added after production. It should be defined in the purchase requirement before the quote. In this video, we will walk through 6 checks that help buyers compare titanium forging suppliers on the same technical basis. Check 1. Define the material and delivery condition. Start with the titanium grade, the governing material specification, the required dimensions, and the condition in which the forging must be supplied. If ASTM B381 or another specification applies, state the revision or customer requirement used by the project. Also identify whether the dimensions are as forged, rough machined, or final machined. These are not interchangeable descriptions. They affect starting stock, forging allowance, machining time, inspection access, and the amount of material left for the next operation. Check 2. Keep heat number traceability visible through the route. A useful material certificate should connect the chemistry and mechanical results to a specific heat or lot. That identity must remain connected to the forging while it moves through heating, deformation, machining, inspection, and packing. Buyers should define which records are required with the shipment and whether identification must be transferred when material is divided into smaller pieces. Traceability is not just a document at the end. It is a chain that must remain intact during production. Check 3. Review the forging route before production. Heating and deformation convert the starting billet into the required shape and size. The appropriate route depends on geometry, grade, equipment, final dimensions, and the engineering requirements of the order. For critical projects, the buyer may also need an agreed manufacturing procedure, heat treatment condition, or deformation requirement. Do not assume every supplier is quoting the same route simply because the finished dimensions are the same. Ask which operations are included and which requirements must be approved before work begins. Check 4. Define ultrasonic testing clearly. Ultrasonic testing can help evaluate internal soundness, but the words UT required are not a complete inspection instruction. The order should identify the applicable method, test stage, scanning coverage, reference sensitivity, reporting requirement, and acceptance criteria. Testing a rough machine surface may provide different access from testing an as forged surface. The geometry can also affect probe movement and interpretation. If ultrasonic testing is important to the application, include the requirement in the RFQ so the supplier can plan surface preparation, inspection time, and documentation correctly. Check 5. Confirm dimensions and machining allowance before final machining. Forgings often move from scale-covered surfaces to rough machining and then to final dimensions. At each stage, enough stock must remain to remove surface condition and reach the required geometry. Too little allowance creates risk. Too much allowance adds material waste and machining time. Buyers should mark critical diameters, lengths, faces, bores, and datums on the drawing. Also state whether the supplier is responsible for rough machining only or for the finished component. That one distinction can change both the inspection plan and the quotation. Check 6. Match the finished part to the document package. Before shipment, verify the purchase order, drawing revision, material certificate, heat number, dimensional report, and any required non-destructive testing report. Visual condition, identification, corrosion protection, wrapping, and export packing should also match the order. A clean crate does not replace technical records, and technical records do not replace proper protection. Both are needed when the forging must arrive ready for the buyer's next operation. For the next titanium forging RFQ, send the grade, governing specification, drawing, delivery condition, quantity, machining scope, inspection method, acceptance criteria, document list, and packing requirement. Bayou reviews drawing-based titanium forgings for commercial industrial projects. including forged rings, sleeves, blocks, and shafts. Use the product and RFQ links in the description to send the requirement for review.